Hello and welcome, guys. Today I'm very excited to introduce you to our new WordPress plugin, Tevrna Business Manager. So please stop paying for plotted CRM softwares. Tevrna gives you a built-in customer database right inside your WordPress. You can track your order history, you can build a client profile, and you can also leave a private internal notes for your team without paying monthly subscription. So if you hate using like spreadsheet to track your money, you have like Taverna Business Manager. So let me show you how it works. First of all, we have the dashboard, just giving you insights how you're doing your business so far. Here's the total orders, total delivers order, total items sold, and it will help you to manage your business by giving you a clear and easy way to track your orders and business overview as well your customer, and also track your team member in just one page here. Then let's move forward to sales. Like if you hate using like spreadsheet to track your money, the sales model automatically track your pipeline, watches your inventory level, and calculate also the exact net profit on the fly. And let me tell you something here that all the plugin tab is connected to each other. So here, let me tell you something that if you have a new order, you can simply edit from here, selecting the customer. If you have a customer, if you don't have a customer, you can add the customer to link the product to his profile. Then you have, and you can here from this option here, you can add a new customer. Then the product, and let me tell you something that the product is connected to the inventory. So let's say that if you try to sell this product number one, it tells you here that you don't have inventory, you have zero pieces left. So if you have zero pieces left and try to sell it, the system will give you an error message that this product do not exist in the inventory. So just have to go and update it. Here's total cost and the net profit and also connected to finance. If I add any order here, it will be connected to finance if I received the money. So let's have a ready order here. As you can see here is the order 800. Here is the customer name. Here is the product that the customer bought. Here is like the status of the order. It's returned, it's processing, delivering, cancelled. You just have to set the right status from here. If I would like to add a note related to this customer, I can add it from here. And let me tell you the good news here. You will find here like some orders with a WooCommerce label. What does it mean? Actually that our plugin is connected to WooCommerce. So whenever you are receiving any order in WooCommerce, it will be reflected automatically to our plugin here. This is the good news actually. And here is the inventory as mentioned. It's connected to sales tab. Let me just show you how it works. Here, as you can see, here's the product. I can rename the product and I can also check the history log. For an example, I had 10 pieces I added for this product. Then I sold one pieces for order 55. Then like I deducted some products and some pieces from this product. Then I sold it in order 555. So actually it's tracking all sales. It's not giving you like the this you have some pieces or you have specific pieces from this product. It's telling you also how many pieces you sold and for which product or for which customer. So you can track it from sales. You can get back to the sales and you can check the order. And also you can download is all this information as an Excel sheet. Here is the customer and orders. Customer and orders. Every customer have a profile, and also the good news here. Once again, it's connected to WooCommerce. Whenever you have like a customer who registered himself as a customer in your like website, it will be reflected automatically here, and giving you also the status or the type of the customer. If it's a new customer, it will give you that's a new customer. If it's a returning customer, who bought more than one product, it will be reflected here. And let me tell you also that will be added automatically. No need for any manuals here. It will be added automatically. And here is the finance tab. Let's check it so quick. The finance tab is also connected to sales whenever you are getting any order, and also like sometimes you are selling a product, but till now you didn't receive the money for this product or like the money collection. You didn't collect the money till now. So your orders will not be added here unless you market the order from here that you receive money. Let me show you how can we do it from sales here. For an example, let's take this order 55. here, as you can see, is the payment status. So pending, that means it will not be added to finance, but received, it will be added to finance. So whenever I change it and I get back to finance, I will find that this product is added directly to my finance tab. It will be calculated, and also it will be added here to the list. And also we have like a wonderful feature here, as you can see, is the record manual transaction. If you're more than one owner and you would like to track the payment or your contribution, you can add it from here. And as you can see, here's the live contributor balance, like how much you paid in the company or in your business. So owner number one, for an example, he paid 100 and he received 100, so he paid nothing. And owner number two, he paid no, zero and he received zero, he paid nothing for the business. I can actually set it from here. I can add it, and I also, if I added any like false transaction, I can delete it. And let me tell you also, guys, that we have like marketing and campaign. So if I'm having a campaign here, it will be and I mentioned that this campaign is ended, it will be added here as expenses. So as mentioned, all tabs are connected to each other here, guys. Interaction, you can add the interaction for your business. You can track the likes and follows that you receive in your social media. Here also, like, you can leave files. If you have an important files, you can leave it from here. And content planner, and instead of having like an Excel sheet or Word sheet adding your content, you can simply add it from here. And whenever you would like to let it post it on your social media, you can do it from here. You can add the platform, you can add the date, and also you can add the post. Whenever you it's done or you posted the post, you can just archive it from here. Then let's move forward to the team and member. Team and member is a tab where you manage your team. So if you're working with a team and you would like to manage them easily, you can add the employee from here, add the employee and the hiring date, and you can also check their profile whenever you want. How many, if you would like to add comment on like the employee sheet, you can add it, and also giving you how many annual days for this employee. If you'd like to give them an annual, and you can also check the history if you took any annual. Then, if I would like to assign tasks, instead of sending them emails or sending them a WhatsApp message, they can simply access this page and you can give them all tasks that they have. You can assign tasks from here. Let's say that you have a task, you will assign it to employees that you have, from which department, the urgency of this task, and also the deadline for this task to be completed, and an instruction. And if you'd like to add any fold attachment, you can add from here. Then you will create task. And as you can see, guys, the employee will have like a timer calculating how much time left for this task to be completed. And you can also change the status of this like task. If he completed it, he can add notes and he can post the update. He can also stop like, because the task is already done, so we can stop it. So that's pretty much for everything. Thank you so much, guys, for attending the video. Make sure to try our plugin. If you download the plugin, you will have a free 100 free months trial for the pro version. If you don't want like to buy the pro version, like, you can simply use our free version and you'll have most of this feature for free. Thank you so much, guys. Wish you a wonderful day. I will add the link in the description or in the first comment so you can download our plugin. You can also find it in in WordPress store. Just search for Tevrna Business Manager. Thank you so much, guys, and wish you a wonderful day.